talagang paikot-ikot. Tila ito na yung mismong mata ng bagyo.
Ang hagupit ng bagyong Yolanda. Halos mag-zero visibility na nga dahil sa lakas ng hangin at ng ulan.
Ito ang Tacloban na dinatnan namin. Para kang nasa isang masamang panaginip na hindi mo malaman kung meron pa bang buo sa syudad na ito.
Biglang pumasok yung tubig, hindi kayo makalabas. Ito yung namin, patay.
Nasa ganun akong sitwasyon, lalo na nung nakakaharap ko yung hangin sa loob ng katedral. Siya lang yung naiisip ko. Sabi ko nga, sana yung battery ko hindi na-drain. Kasi kung kukunin na ako ni Lord, magmemesahe ako sa kanya sa video. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na, okay lang ako anak, na mahal kita.
Sa mga kamag-anak ko na sa Maynila, ako na lang ang natira. Mga anak ko nawala na, pati asawa ko. Junil, mga anak mo wala na. Huwag ka na bumalik dito. Si mama patay na.
Tao, sinagip ko dito, lahat tao dito.
Sa inyo ho itong boarding house na to. Mabuti kayo na lang ho natitira ditong nakatayo na maayos eh.
Yan nga, salamat sa Diyos.
Ilan ho ang naisalba niyong tao dito, Tang?
Mga 100, may git.
Parang buong syudad yata ganito ang itsura. Wala halos nakatayong buong bahay. Ang daming mga patay kahit sa kalsada. Yung mga tao kahit saan ka pumunta, iisa lang ang hinihiling, tulong.
There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can't go on
this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow.
There are ways to get there if you care enough for living.
Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race.
There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. Want to know why? There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If you try, you shall see. In this bliss we hail and feel. We will dread, we stop existing and start living.
Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world, make a better world.
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. We could fly so high that our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brother.
The world with no fear, together we'll cry happy tears. See the nation turn their souls into plowshares.
We could really get there if you cared enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. World, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place